Hey, this is Brian with Monstro. Did you know that on any given day, there's probably hundreds of people looking for a martial arts school just like yours? Check this out. Google provides a tool called the Keyword Planner. It will actually show you how many people are searching for a martial arts school like yours in your immediate area. From ads.google.com, you're going to click on Tools and Settings and then select the Keyword Planner here. So we don't want to search the whole United States. I live in East Meadow, so Nassau County would be what my area that I can target, but you select the area where your students come from. I'm going to put in keywords. Let's say I teach Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu. So Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu, BJJ school, kids Jiu-Jitsu school near me. Get the idea. Okay. Get results. Okay. So if we look here, Google says there's 905 keyword ideas available. A keyword idea is each one of these lines. So Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu, Jiu-Jitsu, BJJ Jiu-Jitsu, B Jiu-Jitsu, BJJ Martial Arts School, Jiu-Jitsu school near me. All those are just different keyword ideas, right? So there's 905 of them. And they're getting anywhere from 1,600 searches to 10 searches a month. Let's say it's only 10 searches. So 905, using a calculator because I'm not that smart, times 10 searches. That's 9,050 searches divided by 30 days a month. That's 301 searches per day. Okay, so it's 300 people searching on average per day in my area for Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu or Jiu-Jitsu classes, that type of thing, okay? So when they search, what is it that they say? Well, if we go to Google, let's say I was in my area and I was searching for BJJ school near me. This is one of those searches that Google registers as one of those 300, right? So what Google's going to show me, this is called the Google Map Pack. And it's basically a list of businesses in my immediate area that are targeting those particular keywords. Now, the order is really important because it's really only the top 1, 2, maybe 3 listings that get all the clicks. Nobody clicks onto the 10th one. Nobody cares. If you're not the first 1 or 2, you're not getting any traffic, okay? The best part of this is that it's not the school that's closest to me that shows number 1. Google uses a variety of criteria like citations, backlinks, keyword optimization, etc., in order to determine who shows number 1. It is possible to run ads in this area. You see Soka, this one's sponsored, so he's paying for that spot. So if I click here, he's paying for that. But the rest of these are organic. And it is not hard to rank number 1 in your area because you're not competing against all of the internet. You're not competing against millions of other sites. You only have to beat the 4, 5, 6 other schools in your area to rank number 1. Underneath this video is a link where you can get a checklist that will show you how to optimize your Google business profile so that you can rank number 1 for your chosen keywords, get 300 searches a day back to your website, and dominate your local market, grow your school on autopilot, and all for free. Enjoy.